Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Oh, look at there.
Get out the kitchen.
Get your ass.
That's it, Hunter. Bad. Bad. That's it. Bad.
I'll go Paul, please. I want the other one. No,
We're gonna try it again. Okay, Peanut. Come here. No,
Honey, Mama can't find you. I so sad. Max, where are you?
I fucking love you so much!
High five. Too slow. I love Kaya. I love my Kaya.
Yuka. Can you lick it off my shirt?
We're not Britain.
Hey, boy. What's up? Hey,
Stop doing that. But get your dog, bro. Why you do this, bro? But get your dog, bro.
And there he is.
Come on out.
Hey, you ready? Yes. There go. There go. Ah! There go. Go.
Well, get the drum. Get the drum.
Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Swear to God, if you fart here, what are we doing?
Get down. Get down. Down.
A flower! You ate it?
Are you okay? Still in my shit. See? Look. That's your leg.
No. You are not yawning. No.
Hey, buddy. You're adopted?
Remy, you okay? You good?
Bro, are you good?
You gonna smile again to me? Smile. Okay.
Give me paw. I'm trying to do that challenge. Come on, give me paw. Please. High five. Too slow.
Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you was really great back there, man? Those guards, they thought they was all of that. Then you
and that makes me question getting married. Can you like say
Doesn't look like it's on all the way.
What is going on inside their head?
No. No. Oh shit. Queen.
Ready?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
No. No, no. No.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks. Eat the peanut butter. Milo. Gonna have to do it the hard way. Eat the peanut butter. Okay, so we can go potty real quick and then you can come back in and play. Okay, thank you.